Here set up with our plow on the front, and this is not the normal 54-inch plow that the tractor came with. This is a 6.5-foot wide Myers blade that I picked up really cheap and just had some a little bit of repairs done on it. I put these straps up here because one time a couple years ago I had the assembly actually fall off, not sure why, so I've always been a little cautious by putting a strap on there. Oh yeah, I just had these little mirrors put on. Just put them on. I think I'm going to go with a longer carriage bolt so I can get them to stick up a little bit higher. They work, but they're a little low, so always a good thing to add to. Get yourself a little clock on here. Oh yeah, back here, snow blower. I don't have it hooked up to the PTO right now. I'm going to take it off in a moment. We're only calling for about 6 inches of snow, so I won't have the snow blower working this time. I usually save this for when it's more than 10 inches of snow at a time. I just upgraded the impeller there area with that little shroud so that the snow can go up a little bit more and throw it further. The snow goes good now. It goes maybe about 20 feet, but I'm thinking I'd like to get a little more out of it. So just to show you real quick, I've got this little control box here. I can go up and down on the chute control, and also back and forth on the chute itself. Let's see. Yep, oh, wrong way. So I just flip my switch here down, makes it go around this way. And of course up would make it go the opposite way, so I'm just going to leave him parked out to the what I call the driver's side normally. And how we got this to work is I saw this on YouTube. Somebody's got a windshield a window motor that they put together with a modification on the shaft drive. So you can see the auger there. I had to cut the old one off here. Put a little adapter in there and made it all work. And how I have that connected right now is through a little trailer hitch coupler that I can plug and unplug in. And then I went up into my box. So the drive for the chute rotator is just a standard switch, but the one that goes up and down is a double pull, double throw. Okay. Well, I think that's it. I had to make a couple little skid shoes down below to drop this and pick it up more easily with the PTO, or the back end of the quick hitch here. But I don't get to use this that much.